Java, install Jenkins, sorry, install Jenkins. Let me launch one instance, Ubuntu instance. Launch instance. Jenkins setup. Ubuntu. Click on Ubuntu. I am taking t2.micro. It is a free type, eligible. I have any keys. I have already key is there, my Ubu keys. So I am not creating any keys. If you don't have key means you can create new key pair here. My Ubu keys. Launch instance. View all instances. Refresh it. Yeah, instance is running right now. Click here. Copy the public IP. Open mobile external software. Click on open. Sessions. SSH. Paste the IP here. Ubuntu, so we had to give user is Ubuntu. SSH settings. Use private key. My Ubu keys. Open. OK. Accept. Sudo apt -get update. Okay. Let me install Java. Sudo apt-get install default -jre. Okay, enter. Y. Java -version. Yes, Java is installed. Java OpenJDK version 11.0 is installed right now. Next we need to install Jenkins on Ubuntu machine, right? So install Jenkins on Ubuntu. So go to here, jenkins.io. here, see, you click on here Ubuntu. So here we have like long-term support release is there, and see here Debian, software requirement is Java. We have to install. We already installed Java, and next is we need to install copy this one, I am taking long-term support release. Okay, enter. Next, copy this one, paste, enter. Next you have to give sudo apt-get update. Let me type that one, sudo apt-get update. Small comments we need to type it, no need to paste it. Next what, sudo apt-install Jenkins. Okay, sudo apt-get install Jenkins, enter. Give y to continue. Jenkins is installing right now. Once Jenkins is installed, we will check the status of the service, whether it's working or not. Still it is installing. Once it is installed, we will check. Still it's installing, guys. Wait for some time. Yes, Jenkins is installed. Let me check the Jenkins service is started or not. Sudo systemctl status Jenkins is the service, so we have to give the Jenkins. Right now Jenkins also started active. See? Okay, so Jenkins is installed. We need to open the service. Open the port number. The port number of Jenkins is 8080. Okay, let me go to AWS machine. Go to security. After going to security groups, and edit inbound rules. Add rule 8080. Access from anywhere, all zeros. Save rules. Okay, port is open. Next we need to take the public IP of the Jenkins machine. This is the public IP. Copy the public IP and open here in the browser, :8080. So take the password from here, admin password, paste here, continue. Okay, after that you need to create your user, something like that. I am giving my user Durga. Password, give the password, confirm password. Give some email ID, save and continue, save and finish. Start using Jenkins. So this is the Jenkins setup. Let me try to create one job, first job. Hello world, freestyle project. Click on OK. Click on build step, add build step. execute shell, give like echo welcome to Jenkins. Okay, then apply, save and apply, actually save and apply. Now I created the job. This is my job. If you go to dashboard, this is my job. I should build my job right now. Go to hello world, click the button here, build now. It will run the job. See here, build started and successful. Build is successful means this green color will come. Let me click on this one. You can see the log here by clicking on console output. Click on console output. See here, started by user Durga Palvalsa, and the command is echo welcome to Jenkins we have given. So the output is this one. It is success. Like this, you can create the install Jenkins and you can create the job. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.